So this is my view pretty much every morning whenever I'm up making breakfast. You got it. Come on with it. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Come on with it. You got it. You got it. Go, 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 go. You gotta pick it up. You got it. Come on. Come on with it. You got it. Come on. Push it over. Push it over. There you go. Get on it. Get on it. Get on it. Ride it off. You got it. Get on it. You got it. Get on it. Here, I'll hold it. Here. Oh. Well, our trip plans have kind of take a dramatic change here, but before I get to that, I'm going to show you the sunset here. So, sunsets out here are amazing. Hopefully it shows up on this little camera good. I'm not sure if it will or not, but so that's Arches Park, right there where the sun's going down, the red rocks you see over there, and really kind of everything over there on the horizon is. It's not just a few miles from where we're camped at here, just outside the park boundaries. But really, as the sun goes down, it just really makes these rocks turn super, super red, reddish orange color. It's really beautiful in person. Then same thing with the LaSalle Mountains down there. The camera doesn't do it justice. They look tiny on my screen here, but they look huge here in person. And it just really turns the mountains like a hue that's kind of bluish purple. They're real pretty. And that's basically every night that the sun gets a good, good shine. There's not any clouds in the way. So it turns out our 2-year-old son that just turned 2 a couple weeks ago is not quite in an adventure ready size yet. So instead of us doing some hikes to see some spots like we were wanting to, we're just going to turn this into a sightseeing tour, just going to the Mighty 5 National Park. So we're going to spend some time in Hanksville and see what we can do around there, and then head down probably through Page, Arizona, and head down to South Rim of the Grand Canyon. Hopefully he does better next year when he's a little bit older, but no big deal. He's 2. He can't help it. We can't help it. And we're just going to try and make the best of it. So that's what we're going to do.